Snapchat. Leonardo is the sweet part.
Sweet.
The wheat costume. It's another one. Crayola! It's a Crayola glow dome. And it's all different kinds of stuff. So it looks like it's all in a dome. You could probably make a Superdome. Honey and Bud. Bed Milk Fusion! Bed Milk Fusion!
Cool.
And these are the big legs it comes with.
Sweet.
I can't believe they got me a weed. This one is from you guys. Choco Box!
Now you got somewhere to put all this stuff.
Wow. Lots of space. Who's it from? They're for me.
Must be from Santa.
Maybe.
Come over here, I'll show you how it works.
Oh, that's what it is. I found out.
Stick your finger into there.
No!
And if you're really bad, it's a pan. It's a paddle.
You stick what you want to measure under this, you clip it under there, and the ruler is down here,
Yeah.
you can measure.
And you clean your fish with it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what that's for.
You put their tail. You put their tail under there, and then they don't move around. They'll hold still.
When you cut off their head.
okay, I am not cutting off my fish's head.
Well, how else are you gonna eat it?
Oh, now you won't cry when it's cold.
Yeah. And it comes with characters. So much to open it. I don't know where to put all of it. Ah! I did my head.
Cool.
Cool.
They're really soft inside too.
Those ought to keep your feet warm.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
I know. They're so warm. And Scout, are you looking for your presents? Where is our stocking?
I don't know. I wonder if Tula took them in the middle of the night. They're just playing with their stuff. Playing around in here.
It's one of those kits that you have, you know, the one that you carry around.
Yeah.
And it comes with an extra water bottle in case you run out of water.
Here, we get some of that wrapping out of your way so you see what you haven't opened yet.
Sure.
Come on, Ferret Paws.
From Bud and Honey. How many things did Bud and Honey get me? I don't know the picture. It's here.
Sweet.
This could be a present. It's a sweetie. It doesn't say. It's just for it. Cutty clothes. They're like, and this shirt is like yours.
Oh, yeah.
It looks exactly like yours. And that looks like your pants too.
You guys can match.
Well, mine doesn't have the animal fit on the back.
You get that whole pile there?
Oh. I couldn't see.
Did you even look up? Did you just throw that out of the way? You didn't even look to see what it was?
Yeah, it's a crab nest.
Ah.
That's the first thing I saw when it came out. More hunting clothes. It's a hunting jacket just like yours. It's named inside.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. And it's a hoodie. It's from Santa.
I hope you like hunting and fishing.
I have everything. It is compass, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a compass.
Sweet. Now your daddy can spend the morning putting everything together for all your hunting and fishing expeditions.
We're gonna have to wake up extra early though. Everything. Crab throw on.
Cool.
This one's from Santa.
Oh, it's that kind of clue.
Two things. It's a case and a pair of binoculars like yours.
Cool.
Cool.
You got all your own stuff now.
Alright. Did I already open this? No, I don't think so. Nope. Oh my gosh, a new hat. Are you a crab? It's a hunting Saints hat, I think. Yeah, it's a hunt. No, it's not. Or is it?
Looks like just a hunting hat to me. Says buckwear.
It looks like there's little 4 leaves.
No, I think that's a deer.
Where?
Oh yeah, I guess it kind of does look like a little fleur leaf. Yeah, it is.
It's hunting hat. Oh. It's orange jacket, so we don't get hit.
Yeah.
Orange vest. And
What about this? Did you open that yet? Did you do that, Tom?
yes, from Zero. And it's a car named Xterra. That's exactly what my mom had.
Now you got your own pole.
Uh-huh.
You got your own everything. Well, here, this one looks like it's for you and Daddy. Why don't you go over there by Daddy and open it? I'll take Daddy's phone.
So is this. Both of these are for me.
Get out of here.
Both of us.
Here it comes. Order pause.
It might be hunting stuff. Wait. Something. It is hunting.
Fish. I don't really like hunting anymore. What is it?
It's knives, lots of knives, scissors, and saw.
For what?
I don't know what the saw's for.
It's to process the meat. For
Oh.
the deer.
And some gloves to.
Keep your hands from getting messy.
Is this like a both of us?
No, it looks like it.
Yeah.